Haier heat pump water heater. With a 4-way valve and an electronic expansion valve. Easy installation for your peace of mind. Large screen display. Maximum water temperature with heat pump only is up to 65. High efficiency and energy saving. High quality enamel tank, longer service life and stable heating performance. High performance compressor. DC variable frequency system. Low noise as quiet as a library. 65C smart sterilization. Healthy water, healthy skin. Enjoy a large amount of running water without residual heat. There are more options to choose from.